This is the time of year that my company goes on its yearly retreat, and I get to go to Vegas and smell a ton of fragrances. The plan for this year was to buy 3 fragrances that are on my list. Luministe from Propan, Straight to Heaven from by Kilian, and a backup bottle of Dior Homme perfume. Let me tell you about my trip. So just checked into my room and about to relax for a little bit. Just got off the plane. I'm hungry, a little bit jet lagged, but we'll get out and see if I can smell some stuff pretty quickly. Cosmo actually has one of my favorite places, Skin. They have a ton of niche fragrances, so I'm gonna head over there after I get a little bit to eat and see what I can find. Now, Skin's 6'2". It's been a couple years since I've been, and it looks like they've maybe changed up the amount of fragrances that they carry. They still have some niche fragrances, but about half of what I remember. And Straight to Heaven, they did not have in stock. So I decided to head over to Barney's because they carry Propan, and there's a couple that I want to smell and one that I want to buy. If you haven't smelled any of the Robert Graham stuff, you need to get your nose on that. If you buy the large bottles, the bottle is sick. So I actually stopped by the Guerlain store as well. They don't have a store in Dallas, so I'm able to put my nose on like Tonka Imperial and some of those things that I haven't smelled before, so I'm really enjoying that. If there's one place that you had to visit as a frag head, if you come here, it's Barney's. They have absolutely everything you want to sniff. So strike 2 on my list of things to buy. Barney's no longer carry Propan, but still have confidence that I can find a backup bottle of Dior Homme perfume. I head over to Crystal's for the Dior boutique to see if they have a bottle. strike three. So they did not have one there, but they directed me over to Forum Shops there at the Caesar's Palace. There's a boutique there that may actually have it. So I ran over there to see if I had any luck. No luck. All is not lost though. There's one more Dior boutique here, and it's a couple hotels over at the Wynn. So I headed over there in a last-ditch effort to find a backup bottle. Unfortunately, strike three. Not only did I strike out on all three Dior boutiques, but the last boutique didn't even know what I was talking about. I had to pull up a picture on the internet to show them the Dior Homme perfume that I was trying to buy. All is not lost. I was able to smell a lot of good fragrances. If I had to rank the places to hit, number 3 would be the Forum Shops, Caesar's Palace. Really nice shops. They have a Creed boutique there. They have a Dior boutique. They have a Chanel boutique. Carolina Herrera has a boutique there. They have a very nice Sephora with a ton of options, some niche stuff. I think they sell Bond number 9 there. So a nice solid option. They'll probably be my third choice. My second choice would be Crystal's Mall, a little more high-end, a little more chic. There's Tom Ford, Lanvin, Louis Vuitton. Lalique has that was kind of the surprise for me. I haven't smelled any Lalique fragrances, and so I was able to put my nose on a lot of those. They have a high-end line that I had never heard of with some really nice offerings. And the number one spot that you have to hit when you're in Vegas is Barney's at the Venetian. I went twice and still didn't smell everything that I wanted to smell. They have a ton of niche fragrances, some that I haven't even heard of before. So I'll be putting out a list of the top 10 fragrances that I smelled while I was there. So look for that soon, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.